Okay, so you put lifestyle factors, sleep and nutrition, obviously very, very important. Looking at overstimulation, we had Anna Lemke on the show, brilliant, brilliant podcast, Dopamine Nation, talking about dopamine, which is amazing. But let's talk about, you're on a walking treadmill. If you guys check on YouTube, Kris is on a walking treadmill, getting his steps in. Is it more important? Maybe give priorities, and I know it's individual again, but some people are going to want some type of frame. You want to get 8,000 steps for your brain function, or you want 3 sessions of aerobic exercise, in the week. You want, resistance training. You want heavy weights. Give us some type of, movement program that you think is really beneficial for mental performance. Because I know I'm going to get these questions from my community, my CEOs. We do a lot of work with corporate execs to say, listen, I'm not really worried about anything, that I just have to be sharp at work. AI is coming. I've got to be very creative. My imagination, my ability to analyze, synthesize, and put plans in place is really, really important. What type of movement protocol do they need to look at?
You could just sit in your butt all day and just take C-Max. You're good. That'll be fun. No, that's kind of the more biohacker way, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just be a static ornament and take all the supplements. No, in all seriousness, start every single day with some sort of form of movement. So whether that be HIIT training, whether it be like zone 2 training, just to get the blood flow to the brain. That's the main priority upon waking. Now, all dependent on your time zone, you may have to expose yourself to light because, I get up very early. I wake up around 4 to 5 o'clock. Here in the winter in Idaho, it's not getting light until 8 a.m. So I'll actually have like a retimer glasses or AWO glasses or something like that that's going to shine light into my eyes to help my brain cognitively start to function in the morning. But movement, always movement. So that could be 30 minutes steady state cardio. Or it could be, you could get on a carol bike or do some sort of HIIT training for about 15 minutes. Just getting the blood flow in the movement in the morning. The weight training, I always suggest a minimum of 3 times a week. So that could be Monday, Wednesday, Friday, because we know that's going to help with blood flow as well. It's going to help with detoxification. And obviously, we're looking at not only mental strength to help with longevity, but bone density, etc. When it comes to movement, like what I'm doing now, 10,000 steps a day. I get a lot more than that because I think it's very important to continue to get that blood flow to the brain for the mental clarity. And it also assists with the recovery. A lot of bodybuilders have this in their head that they need to stay static in order not to burn calories because they need those calories to burn muscle, to build muscle, which isn't true. It actually assists with recovery. You're getting rid of lactic acid. You are transporting the oxygen and nutrient-rich blood to the localized areas that you're training to allow you to recover. So I've always done cardio a lot of the time, twice a day for the past 25 years. I just think it's very important for the heart, but for the brain health as well.